This man, when me wake up at 9,000 birds, me see a fly, I go up a Portland Hill. The bird, them a show me sign.
Are you leaving?
Yeah!
Where are you going?
Higher ground. Me I go to Portland Hill where bird then they too.
So me I get some food as you can see. Banana and whatever make it cost me have all a little room here to warm up your body.
We are here at Rocky Point in the parish of Clarendon, and it really is a sobering scene here as residents try to secure property as well as some of their boats as they anticipate the arrival of Hurricane Melissa.
Well, me just leave me house and me I come look at the boat, and when I come, oh my God, this man behind me, Jogi, Angie, son.